Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the theater mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the side button right here to open the controls center. Now, scroll through this menu and find the theater mode icon. Looks like this. Like you have two masks, basically, the happy one and the sad one. And to enable the theater mode, simply tap on this icon. Here you have the description what the theater mode does, and basically mutes the sounds on your watch, disables the notifications, and also makes your screen go darker, and it will stay dark until you tap on the screen or press the digital crown. It's useful when you're in some kind of maybe a movie theater and stuff like that. It will basically keep the watch from disturbing you while you're watching the movie or something else. And to enable the mode, tap on the theater mode button right here. The mode will be enabled. As you can see, it automatically turned on the silent mode too. And you can tell that the mode is enabled by the icon changing the color. Also, the icon will appear at the top of the screen. And if you go back to watch face, on the watch face you will also see the theater mode icon. Okay, so that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, simply open the control center and tap on the icon. You will see the message theater mode off. The icon will go back to the gray color and the icon from the top will disappear, as you can see. And that's how you enable and how you disable the theater mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.